Hey, so I just bought this chair that folds out into a bed on Amazon a couple of days ago because I was sleeping in this room on a big air mattress because I'm visiting some friends and I was not sleeping well on the air mattress. And they have a great one, but you know, an air mattress can only do so much. So I ordered this chair and got it in yesterday, threw this sheet over it last night. So I only waited maybe 6 or 7 hours before I actually used it, and it was totally fine. I slept like a baby. Anyway, I just thought I would show you what it looked like. Super comfortable. It was, when I first opened it up, I thought, well, it's definitely like a little more narrow than a twin is, and I thought I wouldn't really be able to roll over much. But I slept so well, and I was able to roll over from side to side, no problem. Super, super, super comfortable. Honestly, like, sometimes I wonder if it's more comfortable than my mattress at home. But I'm going to be coming back to visit these friends again soon, and I thought I really don't want to be on an air mattress every time. So why not get something that can convert into a chair? Anyway, really comfortable. This outer layer is removable. It came in a super small package, so it was crazy to watch it like kind of expand. And then you have these other two pieces. You can use this like extender on the end if you need to make it a little bit longer, and it does have this grip on the bottom, which is kind of nice because then it holds it like to the floor, especially on a floor like this where we've got wood floors in here. I didn't need this as an extender because I'm 5'6" and I fit on the bed fine. I still had a few inches of room above my head and below my feet, but if you were a bit taller you could use that as well. And then it comes with that pillow that you can use like when you're just using it as a chair. I suppose you could sleep on that too, but I used a different pillow. So anyway, it folds up really easily. Of course, you can use this as an ottoman as well if you wanted that instead of as like a chair. I think we're going to use it in here as a chair, but that's what it kind of looks like as an ottoman. Or you could like flip it the other way. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like set up as a chair. Just so you guys can see this. We'll fold it this way, like that. Really easy to just flip around. I'm doing all of this with one hand so that I can film it, but you can see it's pretty easy to like move. And there that is. I just need to scoot this over a little bit to line it up correctly. And there you have a nice little chair. So let's go ahead and throw the pillow on it so you can see what that looks like. Super comfortable, really cute. And I really just can't say enough about how well I slept. Like, it just kind of blows my mind. And now I can be excited when I come back to visit.